Welcome, my name is Robin. Welcome to yoga. We're going to do an introduction to Ashtanga yoga today, just the very beginning. And you don't need anything unless you like to use props during your practice. Maybe a mat would be good. So come to stand. We're going to start standing with either the short ends, the pinky side edges of your feet parallel to one another, or see what it feels like to bring your big toes together with your heels slightly apart. Lift up your toes, spread them wide. Feel the four corners of your feet press down, and then plant your toes back down. Feel like you could press down as you lift up through your center line, lifting up your pelvic floor muscles, your kneecaps to engage your quads, lengthening your tailbone, relaxing your shoulders, maybe closing your eyes, your arms just by your side with the palms in, lengthening up through the crown of the head. Just taking a moment to notice your breath, any swaying in your body. Lifting up your arches of your feet. Feeling the energy and all the love within. Maybe coming into your yogic breath, breathing in and out through your nose. Slightly constricting the back of your throat. And with your eyes still closed or soft, bring your hands to heart center. This is Anjali Mudra. Maybe setting an intention for your practice. The Ashtanga sequence begins with a mantra, which we're not going to learn today. But we will breathe in our intention and exhale out with the sound of Om, the universal sound, the divine sound of the universe. You can join in if you like, or just listen. Sanskrit is supposed to be healing not only to the person saying it, but to the people listening as well. So take a deep breath in for the Om. Release your hands by your sides. We're going to do some sun salutations today, which we did at the, a couple weeks ago as a practice, but just sun A. We're going to do sun A and sun B, moving at your pace. You don't have to go as fast as I do. I'm going to slow it down for the first one of each. So standing at the top of your mat, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. You can put that bend in your knees. Inhale, half lift, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step back to plank. Lower to your belly or chaturanga position, which we'll do another day. Inhale, peel your chest up for cobra or up dog, hands and feet on the mat. Exhale, down dog. You can come through all fours first. Big breath in, big breath out. Keep breathing here. Pressing the floor away. You could put a bend in your knees or take whatever movements feel good. The traditional breath count in down dog is 5 breaths. We have 2 more. One more. And then look forward and step forward. Take a half lift to lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up. And exhale back, Samastitihi. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step back, Chaturanga Dandasana, or your belly. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, up dog, or cobra. Exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Slow and steady breath. Opening up through your shoulders, wrapping your triceps down towards the mat. Lengthening your spine. Looking at your navel or in between your legs. One more breath. Look forward to your hands and step or maybe hop forward. Take a half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, Samastitihi. So there's 9 counts in the Sun A. Here we go. Inhale, arms up, 1. Exhale, fold, 2. Inhale, half lift, 3. Exhale, Chaturanga or your belly, 4. Inhale, up dog or cobra, 5. Exhale, down dog, 6. Breathe here. Three more breaths. One more. Come forward, 7. Exhale, fold, 8. Inhale all the way up. Exhale back, Samastitihi. All right, so that was 3 Sun A's. We're going to do Sun B now. So bend your knees, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, lengthen. Exhale, step or hop back, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Step your right foot forward, pivot your back heel down, rise up, warrior 1, right knee over your ankle. Exhale, hands to the mat and go down, flow through your vinyasa. Up dog or cobra, down dog. Other side, left foot comes forward, rise up, shoulder distance arms or hands together. Exhale, back down like a dance. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. For 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Look forward, step or hop forward, take a half lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, arms up, chair pose, arms shoulder distance or together, low or up higher. Stand tall, Samastitihi. So that was a Sun B, a little bit faster than we've done it. So maybe just watch and go at your pace. I'm going to do that just one more time. Traditionally, it's 5 of each. We did 3 sun A's. We're going to do 2 sun B's. All right, here we go. Bend your knees, arms up, chair pose. Utkatasana. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift, lengthen, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step your right foot forward, rise up, Virabhadrasana 1 or A. Exhale, hands down, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Other side, left foot steps forward, noticing I'm not lifting up my leg before coming up. There's no three-legged dog. Exhale, coming down to your belly or Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look forward, step or hop forward, take a half lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, arms up, chair pose. Stand tall, Samastitihi. Awesome job. You flow down to the mat with a sun A. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, lengthen. Exhale, step back to down dog. This is also always an option, or coming to your knees or child's pose. Just see how you feel here. Big breath in. Big breath out. Just one more. Big breath in. And big breath out. And then you can come to your knees or you can jump through. I'm going to move back so I have more space on my mat. So you can look between your hands and you can start to take little steps forward. Maybe bending your knees and crossing your ankles. And then sliding your body through. Straightening your legs. And then come to a cross-legged position. Traditionally, this is lotus as you end a practice. We'll just do Sukhasana, easy seat today. We haven't really warmed up our hips enough to do it, but we'll do it another day. Feeling your sitting bones press down. Feeling your tall spine. Take your hands behind your back, maybe grab opposite elbows if that feels okay. Lift up your spine. And then exhale, hinge forward any amount. It's nice to bring your forehead down to something, so if you cannot reach the ground, maybe release your hands and stack your fists or place a pillow or some blocks under. And we will do the closing, the traditional closing sequence on another day. This is, we're not going to hold this as long as we do at the end of an Ashtanga sequence. I'm just taking one more breath here. And then inhale, come up. Place your thumb and your index finger together. And let the other 3 fingers spread down. Jana Mudra. With closed or soft. Just turning your focus inward. Open your eyes, take your hands by your hips, a little bit in front of your hips. And we'll do this on another day. We're going to do a lift up of anything at all. So maybe you're just going to press down and lift your butt just a tiny bit up, or lift more up depending on how you're feeling. So this is the final position for Shavasana. So when you're ready, press into your hands. Maybe just lift up your knees and lift up your butt. Look up. Take deep breaths. One more. And then release. And lie down on your back for Shavasana. We're not doing the closing mantra today. So let your feet flop open. Feel your long spine. Release tension, any stress. Stay here another 5 minutes, or you can start to come back, wiggling your fingers and your toes, maybe reaching your arms over your head, and rolling to one side, reflecting on your practice, on your intention. Then take your time to come up to a seat. Bring your hands to your heart. We will close our practice as we began with a lot of gratitude. Inhale for the sound of Om. Om. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me today. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the class. It's different from the ones we've been doing. This is just an intro. We will be getting into all the standing work, all the seated work with binds and twists. So stay tuned. Hopefully I'll have a microphone in the coming days. And I hope to see you next time. Subscribe.